ladies, it's your girl Rockstar Rochelle, your virtual 31 consultant. If you're new here, hi! My name is Rochelle and I'm a leader with 31 gifts. If you're coming back for another video, boom, 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 wait for you, bag babe. Thank you so much for watching. In this video, I am doing one of the highly requested reviews that y'all asked. And that is, I'm gonna be comparing the City Scene bag with the City Chic and our current Modern Tote. So here we go. Round one, City Scene versus City Chic.
All right, ladies, at the front, monogram's gonna go right there. As you can see, it looks gorgeous. Now, according to the City Scene, it is shorter on the top, narrows down, and is longer at the bottom. As you notice, major difference, there's rivets on the City Chic and none on the Scene. You do have that cell phone holder on the very back, which you know we love. The bases also have this hardened material. Now when you open, major thing is there is a zipper. On the City Chic, you notice there's opening gaps at the very end, allowing you to leave the City Chic open, or you can zip it up. With the City Scene, it's just a zipper. The inside looks identical, as you can see. Both have a zipper pocket that wonderfully fits a mini zipper pouch. And of course, you have those two flat open pockets right in front of it as well. Super gorgeous. Now with the City Chic, it's super hard material. With the City Scene, soft, moldable, and flexible material.
Round two, City Scene versus Modern Tote.
All right, ladies, like all three bags, it is wide at the top and narrows to the bottom. If you're going to monogram it, it's going to go on the front. The back has that awesome cell phone holder like we always love. They have a round base. The City Scene is more sturdy than the Modern Tote. The major difference is that the Modern Tote is an open tote, whereas the City Scene zips up. Now, you girls know I got the zipper girls and I got the open tote girls. And the inside is very identical. You have that zipper pouch that holds a surprise. It's a mini zipper pouch. And just like the City Chic and most of our totes, you have those two flat open pockets right there. Both materials are that foldable, flexible, moldable material that we love. Modern Tote tends to stand on its own, whereas the City Scene needs a few things inside to help it stand.
All together, you can see the Modern Tote. It's bigger by a landslide, okay? So it kind of goes from small, medium, by very little to large. The strap size is practically the same with all three. When it comes to length, let's go this way. When it comes to length, the City Chic is a tad bit shorter than the City Scene, and the Modern Tote wins by a landslide. Now with the City Scene, I'm really trying hard not to fumble on my words. I can fit a 12.7 inch Chromebook in here. I can tell you this, it is very snug. I don't know, honestly, if I can, let me see if I can zip it up. Yes, I can zip it up, but it's very snug. This is narrow at the bottom and widens up to 16 inches at the very top. The same with the City Chic. I have an iPad Pro, and as you can see, it fits nicely in there. If you have a City Chic, which we don't currently have in the current catalog, but sometimes it may pop up in an upcoming outlet sale or a flash sale, so stay tuned. That fits nicely in there with plenty of room at the very top. It's not as snug. Plenty of room. Can you see? It's about, I don't know, a half an inch. And then lastly, we have the Modern Tote. This one, you could fit a ton. I am currently using this purse. Oh my gosh, it might be one of my faves. It's an open, look at that, plenty of space in there. It's like, it's drowning in there, okay? So there's your comparison with the current City Scene bag that we currently have. If you found this video very helpful, please don't forget to give this video a big like. If you're loving anything that you're seeing, don't forget to check out my monthly mystery hostess, which is, the link is down below. It's your chance to earn all of the rewards, and not to mention you'll get into Rockstar's giveaway for the month. I always do a giveaway every month. Make sure you hit that subscribe button because I'm doing a lot of fun things on this channel and I don't want you to miss out on any of the goodness. If you haven't yet, please join us on Saturday, 7 a.m. West Coast time, 10 a.m. East Coast time for Bag Babe TV, where you get to join me, your virtual 31 consultant, and the other Bag Babes live, and we chit chat about all the fun things that are happening with 31 for the week. Here's that subscribe button if you haven't yet. Check out the fun playlists that I have on here at the very end for you girls to go ahead and check out and stay in the know of what's going on. Till next video, ladies, ta-ta for now.